Thank you. All of them are only like head mathame kanabadutundi. I want to make sure that you guys get this. This is very important. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరం కూడా we do a lot of research on business use cases. మీకుండే చిన్న చిన్న సమస్య, ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ somebody you say that నేను చదువుకుంటున్నాను, I'm studying every day, every night, but when it comes to exams, I'm not getting it. Why? What is the problem? You guys remember psychology ఎవరైనా ఉంటే రాసుకొని మనం ఎప్పుడైనా నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు the brain takes it in a 3 packets. Data goes into brain in 3 packets. A, B, C for example. మీరు బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చదువుతారు, that's a A. ఫోన్ వస్తుంది, that's a B. మళ్ళీ బుక్ చదువుతారు, C. మీకు ఆ టైంలో ఎవరైతే ఫోన్ చేశారో ఆ పర్సన్ మళ్ళీ మీకు గుర్తొస్తేనే A and C కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్? మన బ్రెయిన్లో డేటా ఎలా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది, మనం ఏదైనా చదివేటప్పుడు కానీ ఏదైనా వినేటప్పుడు కానీ. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వచ్చారు మీరు, కొంతమంది ఇలా ఫోన్ చూసుకుంటూనే ఉన్నారు, చెవులు మాత్రం వదిలేశారు, ఇక్కడ కళ్ళు మాత్రం ఫోన్ మీదకున్నాయి. ఎలా? కళ్ళు ఏదో ఒక డేటా తీసుకుంటోంది, చెవులు ఇంకో డేటా తీసుకుంటోంది, మొత్తం కిచిడి అయిపోయింది. హౌ డూ యూ రిమెంబర్ దాట్? ఇప్పుడు మీ ప్రొఫెసర్ కాలేజ్ ఎవరైనా అడుగుతారు, బాబు నువ్వు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు అక్కడ అని. సార్ ఏదో చెప్పారు, ఏదో నేర్చుకున్నా సార్, ఏదో ఇండస్ట్రీ 4.0. దానికి కాదు మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది. యు ఆర్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అబౌట్ టు గెట్ ఇన్ టు యువర్ కెరియర్. సో వాట్స్ ఎ జాబ్ అండ్ వాట్స్ ఎ కెరియర్? జాబ్ ఏంటంటే ఏదో ఒక జాబ్ చేసామా, పే చెక్ వచ్చిందా, డబ్బులు వచ్చాయా బ్యాంకు, అంతే. కెరియర్ వచ్చేసి ఈ జాబ్ ఇది నాకు ఎలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది ఫర్ మై లైఫ్ లాంగ్ థింగ్స్. ఎందుకంటే లైఫ్ బ్రింగ్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఛాలెంజెస్. చాలా మంది ఇక్కడ పెళ్ళిళ్ళు అవుతాయి, పిల్లలు వస్తారు, ఇల్లు కావాలి, కారు కావాలి, ఇవన్నీ కావాలి. వాటి ఛాలెంజెస్కి నేను రెడీ ఉన్నాను. ఐ రెడీ ఫర్ దోస్ ఛాలెంజెస్? అంతే, నాకు ఫైనాన్షియల్ స్టెబిలిటీ వస్తుందా నా కెరియర్ తోటి? ఆర్ వి థింకింగ్ ఇన్ దట్ డైరెక్షన్? దాట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ కీ. ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీ 4.0 మాట్లాడాలంటే దానికి మనం ఎంత రెడీగా ఉన్నాం. ఇప్పుడు నేను బీసీ సార్కి, సార్ మా కోర్సులో ఇలా మార్పులు చేయండి, పిల్లలకి ఇలా చెప్పండి అంటే పాపం వాళ్ళని చేస్తారు. బట్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి మీరు రెడీ ఉండాలి కదా, మీ ప్రాసెస్లో కరెక్ట్ ఉండాలి కదా. You understand my question, guys who don't understand Telugu? So you have to have your own discipline process to understand. So I address like ISC here like a culinary. So culinary recipe process is so variation. Like the world has so many different recipes, Italian, Chinese, Thai, right? But how do you remember all that? But you need to feel the senses of it. So you are using different senses to put the recipes into the practice. Same with the law, same with the, like physics, chemistry. You have to add your senses to it. If you are using the chemicals, so you need to see the purpose of these chemicals. You need to understand those. ఎంతమంది ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, you go to local stores, local factories or local businesses that you offer your volunteer internship. You go there and give a resume, tell them that I don't need salary, I need a couple of hours every day to do some internship work for you so that I can learn the practical things. So that is very important for you, because those business owners who invest their money over there, they invest their interest, they invest their career over there, and they're doing the things with the most sensible way, and you want to get connected with them. Not everybody can come to college, university, as we are here today. There are a lot of successful people out there who do not have time to come here and motivate us. Rather, you go to that place, ask them, request them to get an opportunity to work with them. Understood? Again, coming back to Industry 4.0, you are already part of it because you are in that generation. So you are in Generation X, that means Industry 4.0. So you guys are already understand the 5G. Most of you understand 5G as a speed, internet speed. My mobile is loading faster. Even ads are like this. Movie is like someone is buffering, someone is using a Vodafone 5G, they are already watching. Somebody is in Swiggy, order is going, it's loading, but someone is already placed, order is, the guy is ring the bell. That's a 5G speed they show you. But the 5G actually penetrating into industries. Like, for example, the fans tirugutunnayi kada, they are generating a lot of heat in the machine, like what are the motor inside. You want to have some sensors. If that fan is continuing to run for next 14 hours or 18 hours, that can that can be a hazard. That heat generated whatever, so it can turn into a boiling machine like a fire ball. For that, you need to have some sensors. That's a part of Industry 4.0. That cools down the fan, whatever the heat exerts. Yesterday I met a guy from Reliance Oils, ATF, Air Turbine Fuel. He was next to me when I was coming from Surat to Hyderabad. He was sitting next to me. He was just very normal guy. And he was sleeping. And I woke him up as a food came. He says, no, I'm fine. Then as he woke him up, so I said, I have to apologize because he didn't want to eat, but I woke him up. He lost his sleep after I woke him up. Then I want to say hello. I said hello. Then he was telling, okay, where are you from and all. So he mentioned ATF. That caught my eye. What is this ATF? I never heard of it. So then he was explaining that petrol used in airplane. For example, every petrol, you saw that even in movies, a hero wants to fire somebody, he put the petrol all the way and he leak here. Then it will go all the way, then hit this. But fuel for airlines is like this. It's a conductive. That means you put petrol, lit here, that fire comes there. That's the cost. So turbines are generating a lot of static energy. So that becomes the very fireball. So they need to bring down the fuel conductiveness. So this Reliance Industry putting their intelligence into it. And he was an ex-Air Force guy. And he's been working for 22 years for the Reliance. I asked one question, what keeps you in that company for 22 years? Because nowadays in IT companies or any companies you see, hardly people work for 1 year. Then they have a 5 offers in hand and they're jumping like that. But this guy working for 22 years, what makes him work for that long? Didn't have a choices with the technology like this? Boeing, a lot of companies are there, a lot of Shell and all, like they're all into fueling. But this guy says, look, I'm happy with the technologies that I'm involved with. And I've been involved with this ATF for 22 years and I was one of the crucial guys and I feel very proud what I'm doing. I said, proud, okay. We look at what is the bank balance and we switch the things. But this guy was more proud of the thing. But I had to salute him. But the technology, I got his number because I want to know how things work. Now, I want to see where the analytics can come into this ATF world. If a flights are recently, Japan, there was a flight on runway, they hit and everybody was survived. While we were in the flight, air hostesses were explaining air exit and how do you get off and if there is an issue and all. Nobody was paying attention. Everybody was into the phone.